Hi, this is Nishant Padia from Stuff, and today we have the Amazon Echo Show 2nd generation with us. It's a piping hot gadget about to go on sale in the next day or two, and what makes it special is the fact that now it's all screen. It's a 10.2 inch 720p screen at the front. At the back you have premium fabric and a pair of 2-inch drivers with a passive radiator to give it that punch and heft. Well, sound quality is loud for sure. It's not the best because it sounds a bit muffled because speakers are at the back, so you always feel like there's a hand covering the speaker, and in this case it's a screen covering the speaker. But how does it fare as a digital voice assistant? Let's find out. So the reason why you bought the Echo Show and not the Echo Plus is because of this beautiful 10-inch screen. So let's see what that can do. Alexa, play the Grand Tour. And hopefully it should pick it up from the exact same point where I stopped watching it at home. Let's see if it's smart enough. And it is. Alexa, play music. Again, it should remember what I heard last, or at least recently in the past. It knows what I like listening to at home as well. Alexa, show me the Echo Show on Amazon. Just in case, I want to buy another one for my dog. And it does that too. So it retails for about $22,999, and it is pretty expensive for a digital photo frame with a built-in speaker. And it is also a bit expensive than the US market. Is it worth it? Well, it depends on how you see it, because if your hands are going to be busy most of the time doing other interesting activities, yes, maybe you can have a helping hand from Alexa and it will do a lot of things for you, like the drapes, the lights, control a lot of home automation systems, bring up the news, IPL ratings, what have you. But still, it's a pretty steep price tag, so just be sure of what you're looking for. If you're looking for a great screen and the functionality of Alexa in your kitchen, yes, maybe this could be your best buddy.